In this video, I'll show you how to generate unlimited content ideas using ChatGPT in just a few minutes. This works for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogs, and more. First, open ChatGPT. Instead of asking for ideas in a simple way, you need to give clear instructions. For example, type, "Give me 20 YouTube video ideas for a beginner how-to channel focused on phone tutorials." ChatGPT will instantly generate ideas you can use. You can make the ideas better by being more specific. For example, give me 20 YouTube Shorts ideas under 60 seconds for beginners using Android phones. You can also ask ChatGPT to create content for a specific audience. For example, give me video ideas for people with no money, no camera, and only a phone. If you want trending style ideas, ask, "Give me content ideas based on common problems beginners struggle with." You can even ask ChatGPT to turn one idea into multiple videos. For example, turn this topic into 10 different video ideas. This way, you'll never run out of content ideas again. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials.